I stopped buying whey protein, and 6 pantry foods replaced it completely. I know that sounds like a setup for an ad. It's not. I'm not selling anything. I just got tired of spending $60 a month on something that, when I actually looked into the research, wasn't outperforming a can of chickpeas for what I needed it for. Here's the part that bothered me. Whey works fast. It spikes amino acids and clears in 90 minutes. For someone in their 20s training twice a day, fine. For someone over 50 eating 2 meals with a long gap between them, that fast spike is mostly wasted, because the body's already moved on to other things by the time the muscle needed it most. What actually works better for that situation is slower, cheaper, and sitting in everyone's kitchen already. Everything here is backed by actual published research, all linked in the description. Tell me in the comments, were you told to avoid egg yolks at some point? I want to know how many people got that advice. Stay to the end. The last one is the one nobody talks about, and it might matter more than all the others combined. Number 6. Canned chickpeas. Your muscle cells do not care how many grams of protein you swallow at breakfast. They care about time. Whey protein produces a massive amino acid spike that peaks and completely vanishes within 90 minutes, leaving your system entirely depleted before lunch even begins. That is a massive problem. If you eat breakfast at 8 and lunch at 1, your muscles are starving and breaking down for 3 straight hours. Canned chickpeas stop this dead. They release their amino acids incredibly slowly. This provides a steady, sustained supply over 3 to 4 hours. Think of it as a time-release capsule for your biceps. This keeps the muscle-building signal active through that long gap between meals when the body would otherwise begin breaking muscle down. You just open the can. You rinse them thoroughly. You drain them. You eat them straight from the tin or toss them in a little olive oil. They cost under 50 cents a can and require absolutely zero preparation beyond pulling back the lid. It is just lazy to rely on expensive powders when this sits right in your pantry. The fiber and resistant starch combination fundamentally changes how your aging body processes the 15 grams of protein inside every cup. They also contain a very meaningful amount of leucine. That is the specific amino acid that acts as the primary trigger for muscle building. Research shows that when leucine from a slower digesting protein source is consumed alongside the meal's fat and fiber, its effect on muscle is extended instead of compressed into a short window. A controlled trial from the University of Toronto Department of Nutritional Sciences published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition proved this beautifully. They found that legume-based protein sources produced sustained amino acid availability and nitrogen retention in older adults completely comparable to animal protein at equivalent serving sizes, with the fiber matrix identified as the key variable extending the anabolic effect. Are you eating every 2 hours? Probably not. You cannot rely on perfect meal timing anymore. A 60-year-old client of mine started eating a cup of these at lunch. He stopped losing weight and finally started holding onto his chest and shoulder mass. He just needed a reliable protein delivery workhorse. We need to move from daytime starvation to the most destructive window of your entire day. Quick pause, hit like and subscribe if this is landing for you. Number 5. Cottage cheese. An older gentleman wrote to me last month frustrated because he was eating plenty of chicken all day, but still shrinking. He ate dinner at 6 in the evening and woke up at 7 in the morning. I had to explain that he was spending 13 hours every single night cannibalizing his own muscle tissue. The most destructive period for aging muscle is absolutely not during the day. It happens while you sleep. After 5 or 6 hours without protein, your body desperately begins breaking down skeletal muscle to supply amino acids to vital organs. You are literally eating your own biceps to keep your liver running. A landmark randomized trial from Maastricht University Department of Human Biology published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise proved this. They demonstrated that casein protein consumed before sleep produced a 22% greater overnight muscle protein synthesis rate in older men compared to a placebo. The researchers described this as the most impactful single dietary timing intervention available for sarcopenia management. 22% more muscle being built while you sleep. That is massive. The solution is just a half cup of cottage cheese. It delivers 14 grams of complete protein for under 40 cents. It has been a staple of every serious nutrition program from 1950s bodybuilding culture through to modern clinical dietetics for one reason that has never changed. Nothing else provides a sustained overnight protein release as effectively or as simply. Cottage cheese is almost entirely casein protein. This is the slow-digesting dairy protein that physically clots in your stomach. It releases amino acids over 4 to 7 hours instead of all at once. No Whey shake produces that result because Whey clears way too quickly to cover the overnight window. You eat it as a late evening snack. It closes the catabolic window instantly. The casein clots immediately after consumption and releases a slow and continuous stream of amino acids through the entire night. Not a spike, not a crash, just a steady drip that keeps the overnight breakdown process suppressed for most of your sleep period. You just spoon it into a bowl right before bed. Add some black pepper or a few berries. Eat it and go to sleep. Protecting the muscle you have is just as critical as building new tissue. Number 4. Canned sardines in olive oil. A highly controlled investigation from Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, exposed a brilliant mechanism. They demonstrated that omega-3 supplementation at doses achievable through twice-weekly oily fish consumption significantly reduced muscle protein breakdown rates in older adults during a caloric deficit. This means actively protecting existing muscle while simultaneously building new tissue. But it gets better. An estimated 40% of adults over 70 are vitamin D insufficient, according to the NIH National Institute on Aging. Vitamin D is completely required for your muscle repair cells to activate after physical stress. This means your muscle simply does not repair itself as effectively as it should after any physical effort if you lack it. You solve both problems by spending $1.50. You buy canned sardines packed in olive oil. You do not cook them. You just open the tin and eat them with a fork. They are almost universally wild-caught. This means their nutritional profile is incredibly consistent and reliable in a way that farmed fish can never match. You get 23 grams of protein per 100 grams alongside those critical omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D3. You even get calcium from the edible bones. Why do sardines earn this specific spot? They stop the breakdown process. When seniors are in a calorie deficit, the body accelerates muscle breakdown to compensate for the energy shortfall. Most seniors naturally eat less with age. The EPA in sardines directly slows this breakdown rate. It does not just add protein. It actively reduces the inflammatory signals that instruct your muscle to break itself down in the first place. Think of chronic inflammation as a slow fire burning through your muscle tissue every single day. Sardines provide the omega-3 fatty acids that reduce the fuel feeding that fire. They are a complete muscle food in a single can. Eat them twice a week. Throw them over a salad. Mash them with some mustard and spread them on toast. Stop ignoring the most potent and cheapest canned food sitting right there in your grocery store. Sometimes the food you have been avoiding for decades is exactly the one you need most. Number 3. Whole eggs. Stop throwing the yolks in the garbage. Stop buying those pathetic cartons of liquid egg substitute. You need to eat the complete egg with the yolk intact. 3 whole eggs cost approximately 75 cents and you should be eating them daily. You just boil them or scramble them in butter. For 30 years, the medical establishment told seniors to remove the yolk. They were completely wrong. The yolk is not the problem at all. It is the entire point. Whole eggs are the most anabolically efficient food available per gram of protein at any price point. The egg white contains protein. The yolk contains the fat and the phospholipids and the vitamins that actually determine what happens to that protein after it is absorbed. When the yolk is removed, the protein from the whites absorbs very quickly. But your body treats it more like a fuel than a building material. It is burned for energy rather than directed toward your muscle. When the whole egg is eaten, the fat and phospholipids in the yolk slow the absorption slightly. This fundamentally changes how the amino acids are distributed in your body afterward. More of the protein is directed toward muscle tissue rather than being oxidized. This is not theoretical. A randomized controlled trial from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, directly compared whole eggs to egg whites. They used the exact same protein dose after exercise. The results were shocking. They found that whole eggs stimulated muscle protein synthesis 40% more effectively. Not because they contained more protein. They worked better because the yolk changed what the body did with the protein. A 40% greater muscle building response from the same amount of protein is not a marginal difference. My own father struggled with sarcopenia for years while eating tasteless egg whites. He switched to whole eggs and his grip strength improved in 2 months. He finally started seeing the results of his effort because his body was actually utilizing the nutrients he consumed instead of just burning them off. For a senior fighting muscle loss, it is the difference between a meal that works and a meal that just looks like it should work. But none of this protein matters if your body cannot actually absorb it. 2. Kefir. The gut physically controls how much protein from your food actually reaches your muscle. Seniors absorb protein far less efficiently than younger adults. You have reduced stomach acid. You have slower gut motility. You have a significantly less diverse gut microbiome that processes food less effectively. The practical result is terrifying. A 60-year-old eating the exact same amount of protein as a 30-year-old is absorbing and using considerably less of it. The protein is simply not reaching the muscle. Kefir addresses this directly. It is a fermented whole milk drink. It is thinner than yogurt and tangy and slightly effervescent. It is made by fermenting milk with kefir grains. This creates a combination of bacteria and wild yeasts that produce a far more diverse probiotic population than standard yogurt. You buy it in the dairy aisle. You pour a cup. You drink it. It costs under 50 cents per cup. It has been consumed daily across the Caucasus and Eastern Europe for centuries by populations noted for their physical vigor and immense longevity. A clinical trial from Stanford University School of Medicine published in the journal Cell proved its power. They demonstrated that high fermented food diets significantly increased gut microbiome diversity. They also reduced systemic inflammatory markers compared to high fiber diets. The fermented group showed incredible improvements in the specific gut inflammation markers that impair protein absorption in older adults. Kefir provides its own complete protein too. You eat about 9 grams per cup, but it comes in a pre-fermented and partially digested form. This makes it infinitely easier on an aging gut than fresh dairy. It is one of the very few foods that simultaneously delivers protein and improves your gut's ability to use the protein from everything else eaten alongside it. Another study from Maastricht University highlighted how improving digestion directly enhances the skeletal muscle adaptive response to training in older men. Fix your gut first. Your muscles are begging for the nutrients your intestines are currently blocking. Without a properly functioning digestive system, you are essentially pouring high-quality protein into a leaky bucket and wondering why the bucket is never full. You have to patch the holes. There is only one thing left to build, and it is more important than the muscle itself. Number 1. Beef bone broth. Building muscle after 50 without addressing the connective tissue that holds that muscle in place is completely foolish. It is exactly like constructing a heavy building without reinforcing the foundation. The structure goes up, but it does not hold. Tendons attach your muscle to the bone. Fascia wraps every single muscle belly and keeps it organized. Cartilage cushions the joints that your muscle actually moves. All of these structures are made primarily of collagen. According to the NIH National Institute of Arthritis and Musculoskeletal and Skin Diseases, your collagen production declines by roughly 1% per year after age 40. That means a 60-year-old is producing 20% less structural tissue repair material than they were at 40. A senior who rebuilds muscle on a foundation of weakened tendons and cartilage will experience severe joint pain. They will get stiff. The injury risk will force them to stop training long before the muscle has had time to fully develop. A randomized controlled trial from the Australian Institute for Musculoskeletal Science at the University of Melbourne published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. They demonstrated that gelatin and collagen peptide supplementation significantly increased collagen synthesis markers. It dramatically improved tendon and joint integrity in active adults. The researchers specifically recommended this protocol for adults over 50 where connective tissue repair capacity is most compromised. Beef bone broth is nutritionally equivalent to these expensive supplements. It is the single most complete connective tissue and joint support food available on Earth. It has been a kitchen staple in every traditional culture because aging bodies eventually develop the exact same problem. The scaffolding weakens faster than the muscle. You make it by simmering beef bones for 12 to 24 hours until the collagen and marrow and minerals dissolve completely into the liquid. A homemade batch costs approximately 25 cents per cup. You use bones that most butchers sell incredibly cheaply or literally give away. You drink a hot cup every morning. No whey powder and no modern supplement has ever replicated this specific nutritional profile. It builds the exact infrastructure that makes your muscle training sustainable long enough to produce real results. You cannot build a stronger body on weak joints. Give your body the raw materials it needs to repair the damage, lubricate the joints, and solidify the framework. When the foundation is finally secure, the muscle will naturally follow. Drink it.